Dumelang, welcome back to Tswana class. Today we are going to talk about traditional food. Tsatsi jeno re tsile go bua ka dijo tsa setso tsa Setswana. Number one traditional food in Botswana is porridge or pap. That is maize meal. And then we have nama, meat. Could be chicken, goat, lamb, beef. And then we have morogo, or should I say merogo, to include different kinds of greens, cabbage included. And then we have madila, and this is your sour cream. And then we have mashi, milk. If there's no milk in Botswana, life is not right. And then we have dinawa. These are your beans. And on some special occasion, you might eat leputi. This could be pumpkin or butternut. I didn't want to add this one on here, but I think people would love pani, which are mopane worms. Oh yeah, before I forget, something that people also eat is bogobe jamabele, which is sorghum meal. Okay, I think I've covered every kind of basic food that you find everywhere in Botswana. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Goodbye.